India's startup scene is changing. For years, VCs poured money into apps, SaaS, and consumer internet. But now, investors are shifting focus to something less flashy but far more powerful: advanced manufacturing. That means semiconductors, aerospace, robotics, and defense tech. Once dismissed as too slow or too costly, these are now seen as the engines of India's growth. At Accel's Advanced Manufacturing Summit in Bengaluru, one message was clear: India can't rely on software alone. The next wave of wealth will come from atoms, not just algorithms. So, what is advanced manufacturing? It's building smarter, new products, faster processes with AI and robotics, and world-class equipment that powers every other industry. This shift is urgent. Supply chains are moving, India imports critical tech, and the Make in India push aims to grow manufacturing's GDP share from 17% to 25%. And it's already visible. Startups like Agnikul with rockets, Pixxel with satellites, and ideaForge with drones show India can design frontier tech, not just assemble it. Yes, hardware is tough. It needs more capital, grows slower, and demands rare talent like machinists, robotics engineers, and material scientists. But the payoff is massive. Crack a niche like defense electronics or satellite imaging, and you face just a handful of global rivals. A moat software can't match. What will be the next unicorn? It could be a rocket engine. Subscribe for more.